among the Hindus, the caste system, I totally against. That I believe due to feudal system, they created caste system, I feel, in order to dominate, or in order to dominate the poorer section of people. Similarly, in India also, is some discrimination, female and male, and Muslim world. Sorry, to say, the Muslim world, female, little sort of discrimination. In that respect, Buddha make equal male and female. The monk's ordination, he give equal nun's ordination, monk's ordination, monk's bhikshu, nun's bhikshuni, equal right. So I think in Tibet also, generally, you see no discrimination. Kasa chudi, pomiyimji.
The gender equality. There's.
So, I think with Tibet, no problem. Female. Now, after we came to India, I think about 1960, later part of 60, and beginning of 70, I appealed all monastery, some monastery traditionally just to carry some was a ritual that outdated. Now should study. Meantime, all nunnery also same study. So now, recent years, we already have the female scholars, so equal. For study or for knowledge, now equal. So, since Buddha gave us equal, so the recent centuries in Tibet, no nunnery carry this sort of serious study. So now this change, all carry same way. So, I think Tibet case, there is no traditionally no discrimination, right? Male and female. So I think because Buddha's teaching mainly. Like that, in India also is we equal. And student also, I think, generally, I think every level equal, very good, no problem. So Muslim world, as I mentioned earlier, you see, a little discrimination. I think in India, now, after a few days, I'm going to one Impuka, after the Sikh temple, Sadaji's temple. So traditionally, among the Sadaji, no discrimination. Caste is no caste system. And also, you see, male and female, I think equal. So I'm thinking there is one opportunity. I'm telling Indian friend, now religious leader should come out. The caste system is outdated. It is related with the feudal system. So we all same right. So the religious leader should come out, talk these things. So now, the Golden Temple, one sort of opportunity, many religious leaders come, and the Sikh tradition, as I mentioned, is a no discrimination. So that's wonderful. That must further because of boosting the Shukshata. Like that. So sometimes religious orthodox thinking. Sometimes I think necessary to a little change with permission from God.
And